start with 4 large Granny Smith apples, which I have right here already pre-sliced in a bowl. And we're slice them really thin, and we're gonna set that to the side. So we're gonna go ahead and start on our filling to coat the apples. And we're gonna start off with a 1/2 cup of organic sugar, and we're gonna toss that in here with a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and toss that in there as well. And this is 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. And we're gonna put that in there, and we're gonna give that a little stir. We're gonna mix that really well. And then we're gonna take this right here, and like I said, we're gonna coat these apples with. Pour it all over. And take your spoon, or you can take your hand and get in there and mix that really well. You just want to make sure all your apples are coated really well, and you can set it to the side as you make your crumble to go on top as you pour it into your baking dish. All right, and we will set that to the side. And we'll grab this bowl. The same bowl is okay. And so we're going to start off with our toppings to go on our apples as we put it in the pan. So we're going to start off with 3/4 cup of rolled oats. Put it in there. And next we have a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. We put that together. And this is a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And everything is just going right in here. And this right here is a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Toss that all in there. Get us a nice toss before we add our butter in. I have some little chunks in there, like I do. And we're going to get us a nice toss right here. These lumps of brown sugar out of here. We have this mixed really well. A couple more lumps, get them going. All right, so get that a nice toss. And right here we have a 1/2 cup of unsalted vegan butter that's melted. And we're gonna pour that right in. Mix it really well. And this is gonna make our crumble to go on top of our apples as we pour it in our baking dish. Get that butter worked in really good. All right, I think that's good. So we're gonna set that to the side, and I'm gonna grab my baking dish. And I'm going to stick these apples right over in the baking dish. Get them nice, evening out really well. All right, that looks good. And then we're gonna take this crumble mixture. I'm just gonna sprinkle it over the top. And I already have the oven preheated on 350 degrees. And we're gonna bake this for about 40 minutes. Once it get ready, we're gonna serve it with a little vegan ice cream. Just wanna spread it all over. Uh-oh, apples wanna come on top. All right, so that about does it. So we're gonna get this in the oven, like I say, on 350 degrees for 40 minutes, and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so we are back, and we have the apple crumble out of the oven, and if you take a look, and so we are going to give this a try with a little vegan ice cream on the side. So I am gonna scoop some of this crumble up right here. All right. And so I have some So Delicious dairy-free salted caramel cluster. I am going to throw a scoop on top. Nice little scoop. And we will give this a try. Oh, it's so pretty. And some of them apples and crumbles all together. Mmm. Oh my God. This is such a salty and sweet flavors all together. It is so delicious. So, I hope you give this recipe a try. And if you like it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.